How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually redeem a Roblox gift card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Roblox gift card, you want to simply open up your browser. Now you can do this process from the app as well because the interface is pretty much the same. Once you open the interface like this, you want to make sure to sign in and then click on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you click the three lines icon, if you look under all these options, you have the option called gift card right above the get premium and under the official store button. So you want to make sure to click on the gift card button. So by default, when you click on gift card, it will take you to the page where you can buy gift card, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking to actually redeem a gift card. And to redeem a gift card, if you look on the top right hand side, you'll find an option called redeem card. You want to make sure to select that option. As and when you select that option, it will directly take you to the page where you can simply enter the gift card code that you might have. Now whether it's a gift card code or whether it's a virtual code or a promo code, you can simply enter all of them here because the place and process to redeem them is typically the same. If your details are correct, click on the redeem button. Depending upon the value of that gift card, it's going to be successfully added and applied to your Roblox account. This is how you can redeem a Roblox gift card. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.